Hello YouTube, hello you lovely people, welcome to Raj RideStories. This is Raj, your host. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. Of late, there are not many videos I'm able to upload onto the channel. I'm really sorry for that, but I'll try and bring as many more videos as possible on a weekly basis. So since I'm not able to ride to the places and because of which there's not much content which I'm able to bring in, I thought let me make a video of compilation of all the drone shots what I have taken during my Ladakh visit in August 2022. And yeah, if in case you have not yet watched those videos, I would request you to kindly go to the playlist, watch each and every video. It's going to be real fun, and it has been absolutely mesmerizing overall. So I would request you to do that. But if in case you want to do that later, but watch this video where where I try to bring in as much as all the aerial shots what we have taken with my drone DJI Mavic. The whole idea of bringing up this video is to compile everything and bring as a fantastic video to you guys. So without wasting much time, I would leave here. I would say thank you very much, and I hope you will enjoy this video. And if in case you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a comment and give a feedback. And if in case you are not yet subscribed to the channel, I would request you to subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you very much, and I hope you will have a good time watching this video.